Hi guys, in today's video I'll quickly show you how to disable the i-stop, which is Mazda's version of the auto start stop. This is a Mazda 3. I believe it's a 2016 model, but it'll be the same across most Mazdas. So we'll switch on the vehicle, and right now on the dash there is nothing mentioning i-stop. So on the right side there's this i-stop off. You need to press it for like 1 or 2 seconds, and then you heard that beep and i-stop has showed up in orange. So when this shows up, auto start stop is off. So like when I drive around and come to a stop, the car does not shut itself down. And if you want the i-stop to come back, you just again have to press it for 1 or 2 seconds, and when it's yellow, it's basically in i-stop. So I'll just drive ahead. It's in the auto start stop on. So now I come to a stop, and you can see the engine just shut itself down to apparently save on fuel. So yeah, every time it gets a bit annoying. Like Mazda's start stop is pretty good actually, because when you do left or right, it does switch on quickly, unlike some brands like Ford. But yeah, so when i-stop is yellow, it will keep switching itself. The engine will keep starting and stopping, and if you don't want that, you just have to press on i-stop off. Yeah, the orange light comes, and then yep, it's all good. Now do keep this in mind that i-stop needs to be switched off every time if you want it that way, because every time you switch off the vehicle and switch it back on, so i-stop just goes away. So you need to like every time do that for every start. There may be some permanent solutions, but that might involve you to probably remove some fuses or do some hard wiring, but on the go without any tinkering, this is the way. Hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching. Do like, share and subscribe.